Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great, and in today's video I'll be creating this beautiful summer makeup look by using all affordable drugstore products. I hope you enjoy it and let's get started. First I'll be using this moisturizer. This has hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, so this is super moisturizing and hydrating as well, and I'm gonna apply it all over my face and neck. Now to moisturize my lips, I'll be using this lip balm from Lakme. I recently got this Lakme Lumi cream. A lot of people are saying that this is a great dupe of MAC Strobe cream, which is not true because this is very drying on the skin. Otherwise, it works great as an illuminator, as a moisturizer. It does nothing. So what I do is I use a moisturizer underneath and then use it, and it works great. And I'm blending it really nicely into the skin so that it looks like a part of my skin and not like an extra added layer on top. For primer, today I'll be using this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. This is a silicone based primer. If you have oily skin, it works great, and also this is a mini version of it, so if you are someone who goes to office or college, this is great for you. Next, for my concealer, I'm using this newly launched Inside HD concealer. I had to shake it really well before using, because if you don't use it for a while, the oil and the actual product kind of separates in the tube. So yeah, that's something I wanted to mention. Otherwise, this is a really good concealer. It's full coverage, it's long wearing, it doesn't crack or crease that much, and it looks really nice on the skin. Now for everyday basis, I either use a concealer or a foundation. I don't use both because I feel that it makes my skin very cakey. But if you want me to choose, I would rather use a concealer and call it a day. Then to set my concealer, I'll be using this compact powder from Nykaa, and oh my god you guys, this is such a good compact under budget. If you are looking for a good compact powder, just look no further and get this one. And I'm using it only to set my T-zone area. To set the rest of my face, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Oil Control Compact. I get really oily on my cheeks as well, so I'm using this one. And what I really like about this compact is it's affordable, it looks really nice on the skin, and it stays put throughout the day. To set everything on place, I'm using this makeup fixer from Inside. This is a really good product under budget. Then I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and dab it all over my face. This is just an extra step to lock everything in. Moving on to the eyes, and today I'll be using this Popxo MyGlamm eyeshadow palette. First I'll be taking this matte brown shade from this palette and apply it all over my crease. I'm mostly focusing on the socket area of my eyes. This is just to give some definition and depth to my eyes. Now once that is done, I'll be taking this beautiful matte nude pink shade and I'm just gonna apply it underneath that brown. This is just gonna give my eyes that nice flush of color that was missing right now. Next, moving on to the brows, and today I'll be using this Faces Canada eyebrow pencil. This is more of a brow pomade in a pencil. You know, the formulation is so good and it's so creamy, and I'm just gonna fill in the gaps of my brows. I'm not gonna go ham with it. Once that is done, I'm gonna take the same eyebrow pencil and I'm gonna create a small wing on the outer corners of my eyes. I'm using this because it's not as pigmented as a brown kajal, and this is just gonna look very soft and subtle on the eyes, and this is gonna give your eyes that elongated look without looking too harsh. I hope that makes sense. Then I'm taking this blue eye pencil from Nykaa, and oh my god, this is such a beautiful electric blue. I am obsessed with this kajal. I'm not sure how many of these I have used already. I just love using it in summer and it looks stunning on the eyes. So what I did is I used it as a kohl on my waterline and lash line, and also I tight lined my eyes with it. Then with the help of a pencil brush, I'm smoking it and flicking it out as an outer wing. This is so simple and easy, and yet it looks so nice and sophisticated. I just love it. To finish off my eyes, I'm using this mascara from Essence, but before that I'm gonna curl my lashes and then I'm gonna use the mascara. After Maybelline, I think Essence makes amazing mascaras under budget. They provide you length, volume, and yet they are so affordable and budget friendly. I recently purchased few mascaras from Nykaa and I'm just mind blown. Coming back to my eyes, and now I'm gonna use this golden eyeshadow and I'm just gonna slightly dusting it off all over my eyelid just to get that beautiful golden sheen. Just make sure to use it with a very light hand and don't go overboard with it, otherwise this is gonna look very unnatural. For my cheeks today, I'll be using this e.l.f. Bite Size Face Palette, and this is in the shade Lychee. It comes with a blush and a highlighter, and I love this palette. It looks so beautiful on my cheeks. I'm just obsessed with it. Then using this Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Mascara to set my brow hairs in place so that it doesn't move or doesn't budge throughout the day. Taking the highlighter shade from the same palette, and I'm gonna apply it on all over the highest points of my face, and it looks so beautiful. It just looks wet on your skin. To finish off the look, I'll be using this lip gloss from KIRO, and I've been obsessing over KIRO lip products lately. And look at that shade, it looks so pretty. So yes, with that's the completed makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to know that. And that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.